It's an exciting day, and this is the kind of work that we enjoy doing because it's an opportunity for us to give back to the community a little bit.
We've had a partnership with Habitat for Humanity for about 20 years now, and every year our students get to build a Habitat for Humanity house.
And today is the day where we finally get to move the house and take it out to our permanent location.
Actually, the 20th house that we've built here at Lubbock ISD, they're all 1,200 square feet, 3-bedroom houses, and so just like anything that you'd see on any average American block.
This is a huge deal for us. It's super awesome that we have high school kids who are, for one, willing to come out and help and build an actual house, and for two, for just to let these kids get in the trade and get to learn different things other than, hey, you might not have to go to college to make a decent living. You can come out here, do construction, you get a feel for it, and then construction is an awesome place to be in.
And it's not just for Habitat, but it's also for the kids that build the houses, because anything that gets a 16-year-old off a video game, holding a saw, swinging a hammer, doing something outside, I think is a benefit for the community as a whole.
You know, this is one of the beauties of this partnership that we have, is that it's real life. These students know kids, or they may be kids that are living in Habitat for Humanity homes, and they get to take a part in creating something that's going to be there for a lifetime, that generations of people will live in, will raise their children in, will raise their grandchildren in. That's a huge deal. It's not just building a doghouse or doing a model or things like that. That's real life, and they get some real life experience there.
And for these families, it's a security blanket that they get, and it's theirs, and it's awesome to know that everybody in the Lubbock community is doing this to help low-income families get a decent place to live.
And of course, there's more work that has to be done, and you know, one of the cool things about Habitat is that the homeowner actually gets to spend time working on their own house as well. It's called sweat equity. And so not only the students pour into it, our donors pour in resources to help make these projects happen, and then the homeowners get to help finish them out as well.